Hello, hello, we are back with another mail day video, and this person really likes tape. It is completely covered in tape. So they really wanted this guy to be protected. Ooh. So let's see what's inside. Another envelope. Another one, oh no, some paper. People are very creative on their packaging, I will say. How is this? Okay, here. Ooh, okay. So we have a green flood of Wei Li and Young Jacek. Very sick. This fight is crazy. I've said it before and I'll say it again. If you haven't gotten to watch this fight, please go check it out. You will not be disappointed. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my next video.